Hello, 31 in class. Question number 1. Why do you want to work for this company? First of all, I want to work in this company because on the national and department level it is well known for its projects and for it rewarding that the company does. On the other, just because I can care of what I have learned in my career as a food engineer and involved to care of my projects from one I am cool see this company just agree by how is done in makes in its own for its words to relax their dreams of studying something that seems Greek to me because our companies do not think about giving people opportunity so that they can improve their quality of the life and then being able to answer giving the examining company and a green union is answered among all the words. Say you.